It's great to see you. Grab a seat and let's learn something together. Today, we'll be learning how to run a node on the Algorand network. Algorand is a cryptocurrency built on the concept of pure proof of stake. In this system, active wallets are used randomly as seeds for validation, while nodes handle the computations involved in the validation. The more people that run nodes, the more secure and decentralized the network becomes. This tutorial will require us to have a working Linux command line interface. If you don't already have one set up, there's a video linked in the description to my Windows Subsystem for Linux setup tutorial. We'll be following the node installation guide published on the Algorand developer webpage. You can find this linked in the description as well. Since we're using an Ubuntu distribution, we'll follow the steps outlined for Debian. One by one, we'll copy each of the outlined commands into our Linux terminal. Now, we'll install the Algorand repository and the dev tools. We'll check our version with the last command provided. Next, we'll follow some of the instructions provided under installing with other Linux distros to make sure everything works. First, we'll use the makedir command to make a node directory at our root. Then, we'll change directory into the folder that we just created. We'll download the update shell script with the wget command. Now, we enable execution on the shell script that we just created. And finally, we run the update script. Next, we need to start the node by following the instructions under Start Node. From within the node directory, we'll run the goal command to start the node. We can verify that the node is actually running by running pgrep. Finally, we could stop the node by running this command outlined here. Now that we know how to start the node, let's check in on what it's doing. We'll start it, and we'll check in on the status with the command given here. We can see published here that the last committed block we're looking at is number 85. But on Algo Explorer, it shows us that the latest block is in the millions. This is because we need our node to be synced up with the network. If we were to leave the node running as is, and periodically check up on the status, we would see that it would take several days to update completely to the newest block. For this reason, we could take a little shortcut to get us caught up a little quicker. Navigate back to the node development page, and we'll go down to the fast catch-up section. We need to pull a catch point snapshot from the mainnet given at this link here. We'll copy this, and then we'll paste it into the catch-up command. So we'll run /goal node catch-up, and then we'll paste in the hash that we just copied. Finally, we need to specify what directory we're running in. /d node data. That's all there is to it. If you want to start the node again after you restart your computer, just run the command again. WSL node start -d data.